All right, so we have a later generation Mini come in for a timing chain. Unfortunately, the newer generation one, the timing chain is in the back of the engine, so we have to pull the whole engine out. And as you can see, it's a major job. The whole car needs to basically be disassembled in front. And over here we have the engine on the stand. Most of the accessories are all off already: gearbox, clutch, rocker cover. And yeah, we'll get to showing you a little bit more once we change the chain. As you can see, here's our Mini. It's all back together. This one was in for the cam chain to be done. As you can see, it was quite a large job, but it's all back together. It's ready to go back to the customer. Thank you.